Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make a free 3D image slider in Elementor or any other page builder using a simple shortcode. This isn't your regular flat slider. This one spins your images in a 360-degree rotating circle, floating in 3D space. You can drag with your mouse to rotate and even zoom in and out with the scroll wheel. You can easily add and manage your slider images right from the plugin settings. Here, you can upload, reorder, and delete your images in just a few clicks. Simply click Add Images, select multiple photos from your media library, and hit Use these images. You can drag to reorder the images. Let's get started with how you can add this kind of 3D slider to your WordPress page. It's completely free and super easy to set up. First, download the free add-on from the link in the video description, then install it just like any other WordPress plugin. After activation, a new menu will appear under the Settings section in your WordPress dashboard. This is where you can upload your images. Right now, the slider settings are simple, but more customization options will be added in the future. You can already adjust the slider height and background color. Follow my steps and I'll show you exactly how to add this slider to your WordPress page using Elementor. Once you're happy with your settings, click Save Changes. Now, to display the slider anywhere on your site, copy this shortcode. Custom_3D_slider. You can paste it inside any Elementor shortcode widget or directly in a page or post. In the Elementor page builder, create a full width section and make sure to disable the padding and margins so there's no extra space around it. Next, insert a shortcode widget. Paste the shortcode inside, save your changes, and preview the page to see your 3D slider in action. That's it. You've just made a simple 3D image slider in Elementor for free. As you scroll your mouse wheel, the slider zooms in and out smoothly. You can drag to rotate the images, and it keeps spinning automatically when idle. This creates an interactive 3D gallery effect that looks amazing on any site. Let's add a few more images and experiment with different background colors to see how it looks. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and grab the plugin using the link in the description. If you're having any issues adding it to your WordPress page, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to check out my other related videos too.